Diastasis Recti. Somebody was wondering what you'd suggest for that.
Okay, would you repeat that, please?
Diastasis, and second word Recti.
Hi, sorry, I'll just jump in. It's the separation of the abdominal wall, like the lining separation, generally after pregnancy.
Okay, so the lining of the abdominal wall is separated from the muscle. Is that correct?
Yes, yes.
Well, again, these sorts of things have to do with the lack of nutrients required to hold them together. And so we're talking about connective tissue here between the muscle and the lining of the abdominal cavity. Okay, and so again, I would go with the biggest hammer in the toolbox, one healthy brain and heart pack for 100 pounds of body weight, and throw in the MSM, 3 of those twice a day, which is 1 bottle a month for 100 pounds of body weight, and also the glucogel, which supports maintenance repair of cartilage and ligaments and tendons and connective tissue, which this is. And these are the sorts of raw materials you want to be giving this individual. Also, absorption means everything. That old adage, you are what you eat, is not true. You are what you absorb. And so it's imperative, again, to give up all the fried foods, the processed meats, deli slices, sandwich meat, sausage, ham, bacon, bologna, salami, that kind of stuff. Give up the oils and give up gluten, wheat, bread, around oats. There's no such thing as a good gluten. Wheat, bread, around oats. There are, a lot of people will say, well, I can get gluten-free oats. No. A rose by any other name is still a rose. And when you have gluten coming from oats, it's called gliadin. And just because it's called gliadin doesn't mean it doesn't give you the negative stuff of gluten. And what happens is when people eat gluten, it causes serious damage to the lining of the small intestine and the colon, significantly reducing the percentage of absorption. And so you can be supplementing heavily, and it's all coming out into the toilet and not absorbing. And so it's imperative. You have to be obsessive about avoiding the bad stuff, the fried foods, the processed meats, the oils, and the glutens, and then take your 90, 60 minerals, 16 vitamins, from acids, 3 fatty acids. When you have a connective tissue problem like this, you want to make sure you're getting more glucogel, more MSM, and these contain the various nutrients necessary to support healthy maintenance, repair of connective tissue. We're talking everything from lupus and sarcoidosis, fibromyalgia. They're all kind of related.